Okay, so this is our bedroom before. But this is the queen size bed that we had with no headboard. And I am going to build our king size bed. Okay, real quick before we get into the video, this was 3 years ago and I had no power tools. And don't be trying to do stuff that you don't know how to do, okay? That's my warning. This is me doing what I'm doing at my own risk. So if you want to do some shit, do it at your own risk. Okay, bye. So yeah. She's coming along. The construction of the base is done and now I'm upholstering. Not the full height because I still haven't put the legs on. But yeah, she's coming along. I also wanted to take the time to make mention that I did tape this on my regular camera. Unfortunately, being that this footage is 3 years old, I can't find the rest of it. And I am so sorry. But this is what I got, so this is what you got. I hope y'all are okay with that. Okay, bye. Headboard, footboard, side rails. Still got to get the trim. So those are the center supports, those are the feet. And these are the pieces to the frame. Those are the slats, those are the borders, and that's the bottom.
On the finest note, drinking till I can't no more. Really, I'm a soul, but I'm with the homies right now. And we asking for no favors. Rush a nigga quick to laugh about it later. Really, I'm a peacemaker, but I'm with the homies right now. And mama used to say, one day it's gonna burn you out.